Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Drissy here, and in that ah, starting over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to my channel. It's Drissy here, and if you are new to my channel, wait, subscribe. You must subscribe to my channel, like this video and like the previous video before that, and let's get into this soft glam makeup tutorial. Hey guys, we're just gonna get started by doing our eyebrows, and I'm gonna take my spoolie and kind of brush it out. Then I'm gonna take a brown liner from the drugstore and outline my brows. And now we're just blending it in. So now we're gonna conceal the top of our brows, and I don't like to use the same concealer that I use under my brow for the top of my brow. Why, you ask? Because you ever walk around and see those girls that have their brows done and they got this white ass concealer on the top? I hate to see it. So we're gonna use the foundation that matches our complexion, and for this I'll be using my black opal, and this brush that I'm using, it's a flat angle brush. This is what you use to carve out your eyebrows. Okay, and now I'm just gonna put some concealer down in the middle, and I'm going to take, this is a bigger angle brush. As you can see, it's bigger. Let me compare both of them. See? Just bigger. And we're going to use that to blend out our concealer. The trick is to blend. Whatever you're doing, eyeshadow, foundation, concealer, blend. And once you blend that out seamlessly, your makeup will look presentable, flawless. So we're just gonna spool it out. Okay, so these are our eyebrows, and now I'm gonna take that same foundation and I'm gonna put it all over my lid using this same brush. So now I'm gonna take my foundation brush to blend out my eye. Now I'm going to set my eyelids using my black ochre loose setting powder. Okay, and for that, I'll just be taking this brush here. And we're gonna just pick up product and tap it off. Do the same thing for the other eye. So we just blend that out. So we're done blending, and now it's on to eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I use another drugstore. Comment down below if you love drugstore product as much as me. And comment down below and tell me your favorite drugstore product. I would like to try more. We're gonna do our eyeliner. I'm gonna show you guys. That's all I'm gonna show you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you would love to see how to get the perfect wing eyeliner. So we're just gonna take out one and yes, I know. Why is she putting on mascara? She hardly got eyebrows. She hardly got lashes. I know, I hardly love eyelashes. I hardly have eyelashes, but hey, don't kill a girl for trying. By priming our face with NYX Pro Prep. It's a high definition smoothing face primer. I love this primer. So you're gonna take some. This is how it looks. Apply it all over the face. So now our face is like super soft, and it honestly, it feels smooth. Like if you ever use this before, you know how this make your face feel. Put on our foundation, Black Opal Stick Foundation. I love this foundation. That look like a heart. So we're gonna just apply this all over face, and we're gonna bring down some by our neck, and we're gonna tap. We're gonna tap. We're not swishing. We're not going in circle motion. We're just tapping in the foundation. Sometimes I'll be walking around or even on the internet and you see those girls, they have on cakes of foundation, and you see it starts from right here. And the foundation and their necks are two different colors. That is hilarious. I'm like, sis, blend your neck. So we're gonna make sure our neck is blended, okay? So just go. And in our hairline as well. We don't want to look like we have on a mask. Like, I know it's October, but we ain't on no clown shit, okay? Okay, now it's time to set our face using that same Black Opal loose powder. Gonna dip it in. You see how much product comes off? So we're gonna tap it off. We're gonna tap all that powder. We don't want it to look cakey. So we're now gonna press it in to our skin. And I like to put extra powder right here. You see, when I smile, if I'm wearing makeup throughout the day and I tend to smile a lot, I get crease lines here and it's not cute. I hate it. So we're gonna just put powder there and blend it in. We're gonna line our waterline, and let me get my mirror and just gonna. So now it's time for my favorite part, highlight. If you know me, then you know a bitch is always glowing. Like, I be glowing. Okay? It's time for some highlight. Yes. It's highlight time. It's highlight time. So I'm gonna take this drugstore palette that I have. Yes, everything I have is drugstore. Just gonna dust off some, and I'm gonna put some in my brow bone, just a little bit to kind of make it pop. Put some on my nose, right here. So now we have on our highlight. I'm gonna go back in with my my big puffy brush that I used to put on my powder, and we're gonna blend everything together. I really find that doing this like makes, so just gonna okay, so now let's move on to the last step, which is our lips. I'm gonna use my brown pencil to line my lips. See, look, my lips are already naturally lined. Like, God knew what he was doing when he made me, okay? So we're gonna follow that natural lining. Okay. Good. Okay. Gloss. This is mauve. It's so pretty. So pretty. So guys, this is a finishing look. Comment down below if you love how this makeup look turned out, and like, comment, subscribe if you want more videos from me. Turn on your post notification bells down below, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and there will be a lot more videos from me soon. Thank you.